Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar. This is my favorite day. It's Wednesday, alright? It's Wish Wednesday. That means you wish for songs. I bring up songs for you guys, alright? So this is a song from Maleek and Ruger. It's called Lately. And it's you, Benny Muella. You wished for this one. So I hope you will enjoy this. And if it's helpful for you afterwards, then feel free to give me a like on this one. And all you Maleek Ruger fans, do the same there. Subscribe to this channel and like this tutorial if you wish. Now, let's go into the actual song Lately, and we're going to do that very easy for us. We're going to use a capo that is placed here on the first fret, and with that we have three very easy chords, G, D, and A, all right? And it runs like that from the beginning till the very end. Let's go into the chords. We're going to start with G now, and that is to play third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. All right, there we have the first chord G. Next is D. Okay, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord is A. And that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, so G, D, A. All right, let's learn the strumming. That's the final thing here to handle here in the song. We're gonna do that with the G chord, since that is how the song starts. So grab the G, and one string around goes down, up, clap, down, like this. Okay, so you're gonna play one down, then a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Okay, and if you play a couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm, it goes like this. And so on. All right, so now you're gonna play two string rounds of this for G, then one on D, and one on A. And that's it. It runs all the way till the very end, like this. Again. G, G, D, A, G, G, D, A. And that's how you handle Maleek and Ruger's Lately. Great song. And it's very easy as well. A good way to start your guitar journey with three easy chords and one string pattern, and that's it. So thank you, Benny Muella, for being here on Learn Guitar. Hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, till the next time, guys. Everybody who's watching, play tuned.